The views here are just to die for. Hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe, comment, like and share this video. So today we are spending the day at the Bushman Rock, and here at the vineyard we're gonna go wine tasting much later. It's such a vibe. It's so beautiful here and so serene. I highly recommend this place. I was last on this road like 2 years back, and so much has changed. Like, I don't remember it looking like this, but anyway, it looks great. Also, once you drive through these gates, it's just top tier luxury. Also, this monkey took the biggest L of life, guys. Yo, hectic. Oh, you dropped your food. Come get your food. I'm not gonna hurt you. So because of COVID, they have to do picnic style for everything. They label everything that's inside. So there's starters, mains, and then the dessert on the other end. I love this. I feel like I'm unwrapping a gift. This is a sandwich. This is lovely. And the platter. So this is kind of like a cheese board. Yeah, we've got the cheeses, the crackers, and the cold meats in there. Some berries, really exciting stuff. And also a nice little salad to go with it. We've got the wines. We got a dry white over here. I'm excited about this. I want to try it out. Nothing makes me happier than food, guys. Yo, I'm sure you can see the way I'm even eating. Yeah. Anyway, this lunch is really nice. The starters were mostly cold foods, which were great, like finger foods, which is fantastic. And all the pastries, everything was just fresh and delicious. I absolutely loved this. It was amazing. And the wines were also great. I chose the dry white to eat because I enjoy my food with dry white wine. And we also had the chocolate mousse. Oh my gosh, the brownies, they were in a pastry. And then it was like a brownie inside the pastry with like walnuts. Oh, it was so amazing, so delicious. Everything was fresh. They had quiche, they had drumsticks, they had everything you think of. I absolutely enjoyed this. I recommend that you just go there, even for lunch, for the day. You absolutely love it. I enjoyed it. So now we're gonna take a walk around the premises because I need to digest before wine tasting. So excited. Good weather today. Yeah, I'm so unfit. I'm breathing heavily after just like 10 meters. Crazy. I'm so happy right now. Hello, how are you? Oh, that's so beautiful.
The Paupema red grapes, the Paupema red grapes are the same color. Just crush and press straight away. Unobudisa white juice wangu crush over press ipapo pamutongo manya usina kumbomirwa tichisangana. The red color red wine inobva skin. So the fermentation of red wine inongori zviri immersed in skin. So inonzi an on-skin maceration. So you draw the color from the skins ichipinda mujuice. So kana musingatomaita izvozvo, you can just crush wotongoona white from a red grape. So
red wine can be white.
It's not red wine. It's white wine from a red grape. So kazhinji yakadaro, if you mazopinda mastoro motsvaka yanzi blanc de noir, it's a white from a red.
Okay.
Something like that. French, my grapes, French.
You can actually host people, like private events here if you like at the Bushman Rock. It's amazing. The ambience is everything, and you can also see the views of the dam from the balcony here. It's beautiful.
This is where all the magic happens now. From the grape juice to the wine.
The views here are so beautiful. There's the dam down there, and the vineyards also stretch down all the way down there to the hills. Oh my word, this place is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed my Bushman Rock trip. This has been so phenomenal. I love this place. I chose the option for picnic setup, which was the wine tasting and the picnic after, because due to COVID you cannot have the proper fine dining experience, but I guarantee you it's still value for money. It's absolutely amazing. I could not even finish half the food there, and if you know me personally, you know that I love my food. So I'd definitely recommend that you come here, even stay over for the night or two. It's absolutely amazing, absolutely phenomenal. You can do horse riding. There's also some game. You can go for game drives. You can do even canoeing. It's amazing. I definitely recommend that you come here. Thank you for watching my video, guys.